Google My Business verification news. This is Arnold G. Sommer, and I have some very important information to share with you in the next minutes. And this has been a really crazy time for all of us. But Google has been kicking our asses really, really bad. So chances are you're still being kicked right now. But yeah, I'm just going to be talking about where we are in terms of the update. And then I'm going to give you some really cool tips that you can follow, some things you can do to still make money with Google My Business right now, despite the shutdown. Okay, so watch this whole video. Before we get started, please help me out, hit the like button. Also subscribe below and turn on notifications so you receive alerts for all of my future videos. All right guys, let's get started. So the first thing I want to talk about is the shutdown. And if you haven't watched any of my previous videos, you probably aren't aware of what's happening in our industry. So right now they're suspending everything. So most listings are auto-suspending right now. So if you're in any category, it doesn't need to be in anything that's like majorly competitive, but most things are auto-suspending right now, okay? So not a good time if you're just getting started in the Google My Business industry. If you have already been around for some time and things have been suspending for you or your clients, then you might be thinking of giving up. But hold on. Don't give up yet. Don't give up yet. So what I believe is happening right now is the following, okay? They want you to stop. They want you to stop verifying Google My Business listings because our space has become incredibly crowded. It's not only you and me who are doing it. There are a lot of people in this space right now. And what Google is trying to do is they're fighting spam all day, all night. So I'm not sure how you are verifying listings, but if you're doing anything that's not the way you were supposed to be verifying, you're in trouble. But anyway, so while this update is still happening, while this update is still going on, it's probably advisable not to verify because you're just going to see more suspensions than anything. So what I would advise you to do, okay, and this is actually a smart piece of advice that I'm giving you here, okay? First of all, don't quit. Okay, a lot of people are dropping out right now because they're scared to their bones. They're scared, they think it's the end, and they're very fragile. They're very fragile to failure. Any little thing will break them apart. Don't be like most people, okay? There's a saying and it goes like this: quitters never win and winners never quit, okay? Remember that. Remember that. When it gets tough, when it gets really hard, you want to stay in the game because it pretty much tells you that you're very close to seeing green again. You're very close, very, very close. So that's what I would advise you to do, okay? Now, what can you do in terms of making money with Google My Business? If you have an agency, if you are verifying for your own company, whatever it is that you're doing, there are a few things that you can do to still make money, okay? So, number one, okay? You're gonna offer a free service, okay? You can offer review services. You can help companies establish their reputation. So if you see a company with 0 reviews, that would be a great company to go after, okay? If you see a company that has a very broken reputation, meaning their review statistics, the average review is under, I would say, 3.5 stars, then this is a company you definitely can help as well, okay? You definitely can help this company. So just do a search on Google, you know, whoever your targeted market is. If you're going after roofers or bakers, it doesn't matter, okay? Just take a look at which companies need help, okay? If it's like a new business that has 0 reviews, then they obviously need help because they're not gonna get any business before they have some reviews. It's very, very obvious. And if it's a company that's been in business for a long time and they have gotten a lot of bad reviews, then, you know, it's probably time to fix their reputation and you could be the guy to do it for them. So do that, okay? So you just pick up the phone and you make some phone calls. If you see that, okay, this is a company that just has no reviews at all, it's a new business, or if you see that, for instance, the company has a very bad reputation, you just pick up the phone, you call them, or you just send an email. If you're a very shy guy, just send them an email. just do whatever. Contact them through live support, whatever is available. If that's an issue for you, but just call them up and you offer them a free service, okay? Free reputation management service. You offer them reviews, okay? So you're gonna help them with their existing customer base. They should have used that a long time ago, but they didn't, which was their mistake, but you're gonna help them fix that, okay? So you do that, you offer them that for free. You wanna make sure that the company is 100% satisfied with your free service, okay? That's how you get customers aboard. So you don't want to start out offering anything paid, because you need to provide value first. Once you provide a value, once they trust you, once you deliver the free service, then it is time. And I know I've been talking about this for a long time, and there's actually going to be a video suggestion showing up on top here right now, okay? You're going to click on that, and the video that I shot was a few months ago, I think. It will show you exactly how to do that, okay? How to find companies that are struggling, how to find companies that need help, and also how to contact them. So you just have a look at the video that just popped up. So that's how you get the foot in the door, okay? That'll be step number one. It's gonna require a bit of hustle. You gotta hustle if you wanna make money. Hustle, okay? Hustle, baby. So that would be step number one, okay? And I actually wanna add something here. If you don't want to offer review services, okay, you can always find something else. You can do on-page optimization, okay? Meaning you help the company write a little bit of a description. You help them upload some photos. It's a beautiful sunset here, so you can see. Pretty nice. So you can do that as well, okay? Write a free ebook, okay? Could be 10, 15 pages long. I'm getting bitten by mosquitoes here. Not so pleasant. Anyway, so write a few reviews. Write a few pages, okay, put together an ebook, okay, just step by step. Our company can generate leads and just like help them out, write what you know about. There's a lot that you know about, just give it away for free, don't charge it. Step number one, okay, reviews is one option. Option number two, the free ebook is gonna work very well. And, there's a lot you can do. You can offer on-page optimization, but anyway, step number one. Okay, write that down, do that. Then the next thing, okay, now you're gonna make money. How you're gonna make money is you're gonna offer paid services, okay? And you can do something like offering a company ranking services, okay? Citation services. You don't even need to do the citations yourself. There are many people out there that specialize in that. Just go on Fiverr, look for services. Arbitrage, digital arbitrage. You want to utilize your time as much as possible, meaning you don't want to be the one doing all the work. So with digital arbitrage, okay, you find people who are specialists at anything, okay? At traffic, at citations, at posting, at optimization. It doesn't matter what it is, just find someone who is good at it. And Fiverr is a great place to do that. You can also use forums. Forums are great. Lots of skilled people on there. Use that. So you can arbitrage, if you get, for instance, 300 citations for $15, okay, you can charge a company $75 for that. Make it a monthly service, okay, a monthly subscription service, $75, okay, for one location. If they have 3 or 5 locations, multiply that number. Just offer more and more, right? That's one way, okay? Citation service is one way to make money. And then you can also offer anything else that helps the company rank. For instance, you can offer them to make posts, daily posts. Good thing is that we have a software for that, okay? There's going to be a link down there in the description. Have a look at that. We have a GMB poster software, okay? It's very, very helpful. It automates the whole process. It finds keywords, it builds content, it posts content, so it pretty much replaces manual labor. So you don't need to spend 5 or 10 minutes to create a post. The software does it in seconds. Okay, that's a great service because posting to your listing regularly helps it rank, helps your client gain more visibility through the search results because they're going to rank for all kinds of different keywords. That's a great tool, and we have actually a 7-day trial for that if you want to try it out. I think we still have that available, otherwise just get the paid version. But anyway, I'm not trying to sell you. You can do this manually. You don't need our software to do that. You can do it manually. It's going to take you a few minutes per post, and you can offer your client a service, you know, you're going to charge them, say, I don't know, maybe $1 a post. Okay, you're going to write a 50-word post, a 30-word post, you add an image, maybe you charge $2 to $3. Really depends, right? Being chased by mosquitoes here. Jesus. So you would do that, okay? And you know, this is just like a small starting point. And what you want to create, okay, you want to get the first sale, you want to get the first paying customers, because that will really motivate you to do more. Just getting one customer can mean a lot. It's more difficult getting the first customer than it is getting another 9 once you've gotten the first customer, right? So the initial sign up, the initial customer is the most difficult. So just keep going. Don't give up. Never give up, buddy. Never give up. Just keep on going. So that's what I would do until things have settled down again, until the Google My Business department has allowed us to breathe again. Right now we don't have any breathing room at all. Right now we're not looking too good. So, but again, you can still make money. So in summary, what you want to do is you offer a free service. Okay, get the foot in the door. If you get the guts, you're going to pick up the phone, you're going to call up those companies, offer them a free service. You tell them, you know, you got nothing to lose. You only can gain from what I have for you. They can only gain. Just be upfront about that. You don't charge them anything, so why would they say no? They can only gain, especially if their GMB doesn't rank, especially if their reputation sucks. Why would they say no? You know, if they say no, then they're stupid, okay? They are not open for change. And they're probably going out of business soon, if that's the case. So it's all about finding the right companies to work with. Not every company will be a winner. Not every company is willing to change, is willing to work with you. So don't be upset if you get more no's than yeses. I mean, it's the language of the game. So you just need to make sure you contact enough people. Okay, offer the free service, and then also offer a paid service once they're happy with the free service. There is a contingency. You got to make sure that your clients are satisfied before you pitch them anything. Very important, okay? All right, I think that's it. It's getting dark out here, so I'm gonna stop recording now, but I hope you got a lot of value out of this video. If you did, I'd appreciate if you smash the like button down below. Do that. And if you're not part of this channel yet, of this community, there's a red subscribe button right underneath the video. Click that. Also turn on alerts, notifications, so you're the first to watch my next Google My Business video. I appreciate you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.